So I was using Sony Vegas, and this is one of the worst editing programs that you'll ever find. And people have said I should switch to something else because there's a lot of other stuff out there. But I like it. It uses VST plugins. It works with the different codecs or video for recording formats that I want to use, and it's fairly simple. But today it just did something that was absolutely beyond disgusting. So it crashes if I try to record video from my Samsung S3. It crashes if I try to use video from my LG G8. It crashes if I use UT video. It crashes if I use Libex 264. It crashes whatever you use. And it'll crash if you're... One of the favorite bugs of this program is if you're playing video and you delete a clip, even if it's not the thing that you were deleting, it was playing, it'll crash. You have to do that while you have to delete stuff when it's not playing. But one of the things that happened just here, see this? So I went to click over here, I clicked over there, it was fine, it was working. But then I hit Control S, and after I hit Control S, that's when it crashed. You're not allowed to do that. You just can't. It's just... There were rules of engagement in warfare, and there were rules of engagement when it comes to shitty programming like this. You don't crash when somebody hits Control S. That's just that's fucked up. This is kind of like if you're playing freeze tag and you go to base and you're holding base and then the person taps you and says you're it. No, you're on base. You don't get to do that. You can't attack somebody when they're on base. That's fucked up. I'm just disgusting. Absolutely disgusting. Anyway.